Hey guys, this is Julian Goldie and thanks for taking a look at my 999 incredible money making ideas gig exclusively available on fiverr.com. Now, if you want to boost your income, escape the rat race and gain financial freedom, then this gig is definitely for you. You'll gain loads of tutorials, ideas and ways to make money even if you don't have any experience or money to get started. I've been overwhelmed by the amazing feedback on this, and it's the same information that's helped me travel the world and work online for the last few years. Plus, this gig is at a really cheap price right now, and every cent you spend will pay off over and over again. And I'm giving away a limited time only bonus. So when you order today, I'll also send you my step-by-step tutorials on how to make money with cryptocurrency. So seriously, hurry and order now, because any day soon I'm going to pull down this offer and increase the price. Alright, see you on the other side, guys.
Hello everybody, it's Carl here from financialfreedomacademics.com. On this gig, I want to show you how you can make $150 a day or way more with 20 minutes of work per day. You just set it up once and then you do the 20 minutes per day and you're good to go. Just make sure to take action on what you learn. I use this method, or I still use it. I used it for years. It works. Just take action on it. It allows you to live in time, money and geographical freedom. Also, I included a very, very insane bonus, which I will have sold for like, I don't know, $2,000. So make sure to check this out, take action, everything. All the best.